and welcome everyone. Today I have an announcement, I guess, but honestly I've been going back and forth, like film today, don't film today. I've been having a really weird off day. It's like 3 o'clock and I'm just kicking myself into working, and I feel like making this video will help me do that. Big exciting news, like aside from just my weird day. I'm moving, which is really exciting, and I have so much to be excited for, so I feel like I shouldn't be having a bad day, but sometimes they just come, you know, so whatever, you just gotta roll with it. I'll still be in the Chicago area, but I guess I have to start packing up because move-in is the beginning of next month, so I have to get to work. But because I'm kind of having a lazy day and I also don't really know where to start with everything, Andrew's on a cruise, so he's working, it's just me here. But I want to get a start on things. So today we're going to clean up my closet. I mean, you guys probably read that from the title of this. I'm guessing that's what I'll make the title. I think it is time to switch out the wardrobe. That way I can also just have out the clothes that I'll be wanting to wear by the time that we're moved in, already on the hangers, not in like the storage bins and everything. And I will have the chance to go through my clothes and decide if I want to get rid of things, donate things, sell things, you know, whatever. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do first. It's so funny that we are moving out now because I had just redone this whole like front area. Actually, I redid a lot of the house. If you watched my more recent vlogs, I was kind of talking about how I was taking over the other spaces and kind of trying to make them less storagey and more like livable, decorated areas. It's super funny that then like within a week we found a house with one of our friends who we are like making basically an artist compound with, which is a dream of mine. Literally, I've had dreams about it. And they were like, how do you guys feel about this? Do you like it? Andrew sent it to me because he was visiting them, and I knew that they had kind of been talking about it, but it was nothing really too serious until they were like, we love this house, we think we're gonna go see it, what do you think, kind of a thing. And of course I loved it. They have great taste, so no surprise there, but it was like beyond all expectations. And then on Friday basically they put in an offer, and then on Monday we heard back that it was accepted. So it all happened so fast. It also happened while friends were visiting from out of town, so it was kind of like a cool little surprise and reason to celebrate. But just funny timing with how I had just like organized everything and was making all these different spaces. But I honestly think that's why the house came when it did, is because I was putting more of my energy into like the current house and trying to make it more of a home area, you know. And so I'm just getting it back in a new house that I've been hoping for, that we really need, since there's just not a lot of space here. And the fact that Andrew and I both work from home and live at home, you know, just gets to be a lot when those areas are the exact same spaces and you don't even have a separate room that you can really go into. You hang out in the same room, as you work in the same room, as you entertain in the same room, as you eat in the same room. But I'm so excited! Okay, I'm already in a lot better mood. So I think the first thing to do is go through all of my current clothes that are out and decide what I need to put away, what I want to donate, what I want to sell, and if I want to keep anything out, because it's like versatile from, you know, spring, summer, fall, winter. So I have this rack here where I have t-shirts, shorts, skirts, and then I have this rack of dresses and jumpsuits. My stuff is just all spread out right now. Basically all of my shirts, blouses hung up here. I have some vests and some long skirts and some kind of blazer jackets. And then I have some sweaters that I don't hang up because I don't want them to get like deformed. And then these tubs down here, which just have my clothes that are stored away for other seasons in there. So that stuff needs to come out after I go through what's currently out and make the piles. So first things first, I'm gonna put on pants. All right, I'm gonna start going through this rack here. I pretty much have already done the whole front room, at least of the pulling out clothes. So now I just have to do that to my closet and get out the tubs. So I basically cleaned out, went through that front closet there and got rid of things that we don't need to bring to the next house. Kind of put things in boxes a little bit. Some of the stuff Andrew needs to look at himself, so he can do that, but I've got honestly a lot of it cleaned up down here and ready to just be put into a truck. This I'll do on another day up there. It's just actually winter stuff in like a candelabra, so it won't be hard. I just have to like organize it a little bit better. And some of it is kitchen things as well, so I'll package that up with the rest of the kitchen. But it is going on 8 o'clock. I am starving. So I think I'm going to have a little break and make some food. Here's the state of my room right now. I basically just have to hang up all of my spring clothes and kind of put those away, and I think I might get a box, start packing some of my clothes, because I only have 3 weeks that I'll be here left, so I don't need a full wardrobe of clothes set out. I'll just keep out like some of my favorite things so that I can wear them for these next 3 weeks and just get that started at least. I have been just kind of thinning out my clothes that I'm going to keep here in this house. Everything else I've basically just been putting in empty luggage that I have. So far I've gotten through my like sweaters that I don't hang up and my t-shirts. I've compiled them all to this pile. So these are my choices of those kind of shirts for these next 3 weeks. I have some short choices. I have some shows coming up and I don't know what I want to wear to one of the shows. I'm trying to keep out some good options so I don't feel like I don't have anything to wear when the show comes around. And then these are the skirts that I left out, just a very few. Now I just have to go through all of these as well as the spring pile that I pulled out from the storage tubs. And the pants in my room. Well, we're getting a good start, I feel like. A good headway on things. Okay, it is 12:15. I just brushed my teeth. I'm going to sleep. I basically went through all of my clothes except for my shirts, and I'll do a little show of what I did in the morning because I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Hey, like I promised, here is the leftover stuff from what I packed yesterday. It's not really organized up here. Honestly, I thought that I was gonna wear this outfit, but it's a little bit colder today than I thought, so I think I'll wear this on a different day. But I only have these for pants left over. My pile of jeans, I have like 4, and then I have suede pants, some kind of more fun dressy pants, and then some comfortable pants. So good options, so I'm not feeling like I have nothing to wear for these next 3 weeks. I have little Whiskey here who wants to say hi. Aww. Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, and then I have some things that I need to do for like brand deals and possibly a show outfit. Now, here's the clothes that I'm about to measure and take videos of and post on my story for sale. And I already put 2 really big bags out in my trunk of my car to take to the thrift store. Then I have these 2 bags here because Chris Luck and Alice Schreider and I do a clothing swap, where we swap clothes like every 3 months or so. But I don't want to be toting around more things than I have to. So tonight at practice, I'm going to give them back all of their clothes. And then these are the dresses slash jumpsuits and rompers that I have left over. I probably could have thinned it out a little bit more, and maybe I will when I get a box going. But I don't know, I like to have options, and it's not like I'm moving super soon. This would be enough to fit in my car, you know? I could just put it in there whenever we're leaving. And then I basically have to do all of the shirts left in this front room because I didn't do that. So when I get the box up for that, maybe I'll thin out the clothes a little bit more as well. But I feel like I got a really good start on things, and I have some fresh spring clothes out, and I already have my winter clothes put away. So when I get into the new house, I don't have to swap out the stuff in the storage tubs. So that is all good. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want more like moving kind of videos. We're moving in the beginning of April, so really soon. Sending you all lots of love, and I'll catch you in the next one.